Hi guys, I'm not sure, maybe it's just me overthinking as usual, but I've been having this thought, I've been having this thought for a while. It seems as a first child, as a firstborn child, automatically you face bigger challenges, bigger hurdles in life. I'm not sure if it's just me, but from my experience and from what I've, witnessed as well in others, it seems being a first child is just really, it's difficult. It's like almost as soon as you're born, you set up for a lot of challenges. It's like a dark, spiritual force somewhere just pulling you back. It's bad enough as a firstborn child, you have to sacrifice some of your comfort, some of your enjoyment for the benefit of others. You have to lay good foundation. You have to be a role model to others. But it seems as soon as you try to accomplish anything in life, it's like there's a bigger, stronger, dark, powerful spiritual force somewhere just pulling you back. Is it just me? Can you identify as a firstborn child? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe I'm just overthinking as usual. I'll catch you on the next video.